choice that is, guys, isn't it? I'm grafting away, gone to pick another car up. I've caught him again. Honestly, every chance he gets to jump on that mower, he's manicured the grass within an inch of his life. Oh, he's got his new headset on as well. Guys, check this out. He's joined the John Deere owners club. Look, he's talking to all the members on them headphones. That was a bit of a joke, guys, by the way. That's he's bought a set of these DAB headphones with a radio on them. He said when he's mowing the lawn, it's all right. It does block out the noise wearing the earphones, but it's a bit boring. So he's bought the ones with a radio. Look at the field now. Look how nice it looks. Who are you talking to in the world on the old John Deere microphone? They're good, aren't they?
Yeah, alright, aren't they? I can't get them on because it's music.
Yeah, it is, yeah, that's right.
They're really good.
Mate, I pulled in. No, I pulled in, see you on the mower, and everyone does keep asking, so I thought, do you know what? It's a nice day. I must admit, I did just say, you've manicured this within an inch of its life.
Yeah, it's coming.
There's nowhere safe for me to sit on there, is there?
Probably not. No, not really, mate.
Come on, take me for a little run.
Let's get that throttle, mate. Hold tight.
I'm on. Bethlehem. I better get off, Chris. Someone health and safety turning up. Yeah. Can we show the bottom of the field? Those trees that you chopped the top pollarded last year. Yeah. Quite a few people was upset, and when I see them this week, I was quite shocked at how different they look. And quite a lot of you wanted to have a look at Chris's field, guys, so work in progress. What sort of bird's that, Chris, running away? A boar hen. That's fine. No. Yeah. Stop there, I haven't shown them. So last year, guys, Chris actually chopped these right down, took the tops out of them, pollarded them. And a lot of people was worried that he was getting rid of the trees, but that's not what he was trying to do. They was very, very high, very dangerous, and the wind was starting to grab hold of them, and he said, I've got to top them off, but they're springing back really, really nicely, and they are, of course, all the way along the perimeter of the property. Chris, I'll leave it there. I was only taking the mick out here, and I got like 4 minutes. Sorry, mate, genuinely, guys. Him on that mower is no different to me in that Lamborghini. He is like a pig in you-know-what. And because he's a godzillionaire, he cuts that grass for free. Forrest Gump himself there. No, he's happy as can be on that mower, genuinely. All he's ever had is them other mowers that keep breaking down, and he's got to keep repairing them. And to have that mower now, well, you guys know, every time I turn up at the yard, he's on it. Absolutely no intention of making a little video there, but I guess we've done it, guys. We're going to upload it. It's a day that we don't upload a video anyway, and quite a lot of you did keep asking, so everyone that does enjoy it, drop a comment. I'll tell you what I'll do, I'll get Chris to get in the comment section of this little video. Like, subscribe, share. We'll see you all very, very soon, or tomorrow.